What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to talk about a precious metals unboxing that I recently did, and this one literally brought me to tears. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do sincerely appreciate it. This video is going to be a little bit different than the ones I normally post here on my channel. This is going to be unedited, and I'm just going to talk about this unboxing that I did and why it moved me so much. It was just incredible to see from a very generous member of the community. So I'll just show you what was in the package. It wasn't one. It wasn't just two, but it was actually 3 American Gold Eagles. So what a cool gift to receive. But this was so special because these were actually not given to just me, but they were given to my kids. So that is really cool. It was from an anonymous member of the community, and man, it chokes me up. The generosity is incredible. So I found this in my P.O. box, and I opened it up, and there was a note. It said, Silver Dragons, take these gold coins. One is for each of your 3 sons to help start out their stacks. So that's awesome. If you don't know, I do have 3 sons. They're actually 2, 4, and 6. And I have started little stacks for them. It's mostly silver things. There's some eagles, some Mexican silver, and some poured silver, some fun stuff. But they had no gold in their stacks at all. And, this just speaks to how generous the community is. So I thought, what better to do than just make a video and say a massive thank you to this individual. Thank you seriously so much. It's an incredible gift. So yeah, some of the other things, like I mentioned, that are in my kids' stacks, I thought I would show them off. Some of the original bars, silver bars that I poured, check those out. Pretty cool. These were actually a gift as well to my kids. Someone bought these and then said, no, keep them for yourself. So thank you, Steve, for that awesome gift. That was really cool. So each of my kids will be getting one of those bars. They do have the special Cyclops on the back, so that's pretty cool. I think he had 2 for his kids, and then 3, one for each of mine. So anyway, really cool. And then I do have these. I'll show these off because they're super rare and just kind of cool pieces. They're the Silver Baggins poured silver rounds. Pretty cool. Super rare. I think there's only like maybe 150 of these in existence. And they were done by MK Bars, as you can see there. But just really cool pieces that I wanted my kids to have. So, these are obviously not for sale or anything like that. But, yeah, really interesting, fun pieces there. So I just wanted to do a quick video, share the gift that I received, the 3 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagles. And I also wanted to just speak to the generosity of this community here. So I've said this before on my channel, the silver stacking community here on YouTube is one of the greatest communities in the world. So many incredibly genuine, generous people. I'm so proud to be a part of this community. And when I first started my channel, I was, I had no subscribers. I was just this dude making videos. I still am just a dude making videos on YouTube. And I was welcomed with open arms to this community. I mean, back then there was maybe, I don't know, maybe 50 or 100 channels that were posting regularly, maybe more, I'm not sure. I tried to watch everyone's videos. I mean, I would spend like sometimes 10 hours a day watching all the videos, commenting on everyone's video, going on everyone's live stream and just interacting with people. It was super fun, it still is. But, my channel slowly started to grow. And if you watch some of my earlier videos, they're garbage. I mean, they're pretty crummy. I feel like I've gotten slightly better over the years. But there was a lot of, hand movements and stuff like that. It was, really animated. And I've sort of toned it down a bit. So I think some people appreciate that. But a lot of people remember, when I first was started, how crazy I was. But yeah, so I've come a long way, but this community has grown immensely. I mean, now there's thousands and thousands of channels of people posting videos of unboxings and reviews and showing off their stacks and talking about, their strategy, what they're doing, as far as stacking and their goals and all that stuff. And I think it's just great. It's super great. And I guess another thing I wanted to say in this video is that, I would encourage you, if you're sort of on the fence, should I start a channel? Should I start making videos? Is it too saturated or whatever? I think you should. I absolutely think you should. If that's something you wanted to do, then absolutely make a channel, start posting videos, and if you're worried about, anonymity or whatever, just do it like I do, don't show your face, just sort of talk about the stuff, show off your pieces or whatever. And just enjoy it, because it's a great community. It's an awesome community to be a part of. So anyway, I know I said I wasn't going to edit the video, but there was something going on here at the house, so I just had to do a quick transition there. But again, to wrap up here, if you want to make a channel, I highly encourage you to do so. It's a lot of fun. And this is just, again, such an awesome community. And I do want to say, a massive thank you to the individual that sent these 3 American Gold Eagles. My kids are going to be stoked when they see these in their stacks. My 6-year-old sort of knows what's going on. The 4-year-old, he kind of knows. The 2-year-old has no idea. So, when they turn 18, I'll give them their whole stack and they can do with it what they want. But I really want to, teach my kids about saving. I think that's very important. If you have kids, you should teach them about precious metals and how to save their money. I really had a hard time saving money before I got into precious metals, and this really helped me save. So I want to, show my kids how to do that as well. So anyway, thanks again. Seriously, it brought me to tears when I opened these and saw that they were for my kids. It's so cool that a random stranger would do that. It's just so incredibly generous. And, they're not the only one. There's tons of people who have supported my channel by, buying some of the stuff that I make, the poured silver, or just watching my videos. It seriously means a lot to me. So thank you all so much for supporting my channel throughout the years. I hope that I've brought value to you with some of the videos that I've made. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'm going to keep on making videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Silver Dragons out.